She puts this before going to sleep every night, and looks 18 years younger. It is normal for everyone to want an excellent face that is clean and free of blemishes, but unfortunately every day we are exposed to the sun, acne, chemicals and so on. There are treatments with which we can lessen these problems, but the disadvantage is that these are usually expensive, and in many cases our skin does not react in the best way before them. So in this article we will give you the recipe for an amazing remedy that cleans your face, makes it white and eliminates all kinds of blemishes. Pay close attention and prepare as soon as possible. Parsley is a Mediterranean herb that you have probably used in your kitchen to add flavor to your meals. What you surely do not know is that this plant also works to end some dermatological problems. This vegetable is able to restore the shine to your skin as it contains antioxidant properties, provides vitamin C and helps to produce collagen. By following these steps it will be easier to improve your facial appearance. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 200 cm free of water. Preparation and method of use: 1. The first thing you will do will be to boil the parsley in water for 10 minutes. At the end of this process, let cool and add the lemon juice. Now, you will have to apply this infusion with a piece of cotton or a gauze covering the whole face, especially the areas with spots. Let this powerful remedy act until it dries and rinses your face very well with warm water. 2. Remember to keep this recipe well refrigerated and you will soon see the wonders that this mask can bring to your face. Benefits of parsley for the skin: keeps skin healthy, it keeps your skin clear and shiny, improves healing.